shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for always loving and supporting me. And if you have just stumbled upon my channel for the first time, a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma. My page name is Seraphic Star. I am a tarot card reader, spiritual healer and a coach. I love creating tarot guidance, spiritual practices, pick a card tarot reading, self-healing and manifesting videos on this channel. Coming to today's video, wishing a very beautiful and a happy birthday to all those shining stars who have their birthdays today on 23rd September. The video is created with the highest intentions to provide you guidance for your upcoming year and how you can make the most of this guidance in the upcoming year. Comment below if you know someone who have their birthdays today. Please do share this video with your friends, family and loved ones to make their day little special with the guidance for their upcoming year. Also, please remember this is a general guidance and you may or may not resonate with all the guidance that I provide here. So whatever guidance you resonate with you or with your situation currently, be receptive to it and take it with you. Now enjoy the reading. So as you can see here, I have laid out the 3 cards here. So this is the birthday spread that I use for all of my birthday messages, and the first card here represents your energy for the upcoming 6 months or the theme of your next 6 months. The second card represents the lessons that you need to learn in order to evolve in the upcoming year, or what is going to be the strength in this upcoming year. The third card here is the ultimate potential of your upcoming year, how the year overall looks like for you, right? So I think you have got really lovely cards. Okay, so the first card here, the 6 of string, this is one of the most positive card in the minor arcana deck, and this card represents your upcoming 6 months theme or the energy. So the energy of this first card is going to be a little slow. You're not going to see the immediate the energy of this card immediately, but slowly as you move forward, you're going to see it. So as I see the energy of this card, I must say the energy coming in this upcoming 6 months is full of happy and good things ahead. Another thing is that I want to tell you guys that you are walking on the right path. You are on the right path, but you have not reached yet. So do not stop or hold back yourself right now, because I do see you getting recognition at workplace, success in projects in the upcoming 6 months. If there has been any challenges, so I do see you coming outshining yourself. So you really don't need to worry about what's coming ahead, because it's a beautiful time or the energy that is coming your way. It's just that you need to make the most of it. I do see a lot of growth opportunities coming your way, and for a lot of you I also see getting promotions, if any promotion is due. I know in this during these times it's quite hard to expect, but remember that abundance is just a state of mind. So that's what we need to practice at this point of time. The more abundant we feel, the more abundance is going to come to us. So no matter what is happening outside, I do see at this time that you are going to gain the recognition, the success, good growth opportunities, and the fairies are guiding you to leave behind your shyness, as it is time for you to be vocal about your talents, things that you are passionate about. Make your talents visible to the world. It's the energy is very inspiring in the upcoming 6 months. So make sure that you make the most of this upcoming energies, and I hope you guys like this guidance. You take the guidance and outshine your talents in the upcoming months. Now coming to the second card here, the Queen of Autumns, as your lessons and the strength for the upcoming year. So I feel that you guys possess the ability to make anything more beautiful. So the success, the wonderful things that are coming, the energy that I see here, so whatever these good things, the goodness that is coming your way in your life, make sure that you use them wisely. Try to be more practical and grounded as you receive this wonderful things in your life. Be generous and look around. If there is anyone who needs help, so be generous to them and help them, because this is what the Queen of Autumn's energy is all about. It's about, you know, taking care of others, taking care of others' needs. So make sure if there is anyone, so please try to help them if you can. Also, you may feel, you know, at times that because this is the autumn energy, so it's related to the earthly matters, and on earth, on the physical plane, it's things are not very smooth. It looks very beautiful. You may feel that, you know, that things are getting stuck, but trust me that the whatever is happening around you, it's the magic that is happening around you. You just need to look around, try to connect yourself with the nature, develop a good routine to take a walk, spend time doing gardening or nurturing the animals. If at all you are struggling with any financial matters, do not worry. I do see your finances getting stable and a lot more prosperous in the year ahead. Now the third card here is again from Autumn suit, which is Prince of Autumn, and this is your ultimate potential for the upcoming year. I see many of you have worked really hard in past for your career or for that stability. Maybe some of you have been investing or saving money to finally buy that dream home. So these two cards here, they confirm the financial stability and the growth. I feel a lot of you are, you know, very stable, very trustworthy, honest and loyal as a person, and the energy of this card guides you for this upcoming year to not rush while making any decisions. As you reap the rewards of your hard work, try to pay attention to the details of everything where you are investing your time and money. The upcoming year is also going to bring a lot of stability, as I said earlier also, that in case if at all you are going through any financial instability, the upcoming year is going to make things much better. Just be wise while making any financial decisions. You are going to be much prosperous than today in the future. I only and only see growth for you all in the upcoming year. So a very all the best to you. All of you have their birthdays today. I hope you like the guidance. So shining stars, that's all that I have for today for you, for your birthday message. Have a wonderful birthday full of beautiful moments, lot of success, growth in the upcoming year. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family, and if you like the guidance, then please do comment in the comment section below. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. Thank you and namaste.